driving from Denver to Boulder, and when we get to Boulder we're going to meet Professor Mark Williams, who's a professor of geography and also a fellow at the Institute of Arctic and Alpine Research.
I'm taking some of my staff people here. Do you have your stuff in your car?
Yeah, we got a bunch of junk.
Oh, why don't you just follow us up then? But no, none of them are students of mine. We have a chemistry lab, a wet chemistry lab, and they work in the wet chemistry lab.
Oh, I see.
So this is a chance for them to get out in the field as well.
Okay.
Walk around.
Early research was really on pure science in terms of, again, a focus on alpine hydrology, relationship between snowfall and hydrology, what's happening in surface water, groundwater, and snowmelt.
The snow accumulates on the ground naturally. You see those cross arms come out and the pygon tubing that comes through there. That goes all the way into this underground lab that we'll look in. Those microbes during the winter are putting out CO2, N2O, and other trace gases. So we developed this little system to measure those during the winter. So we're at about 11,300 feet here, and it does get butt cold. There's no two ways about it. And when I got started, everybody thought the biology shut down, and we've shown, in fact, that it actually cranks up.
So I think it's really very exciting research that can fill in some information gaps that right now we don't really know that much about how these systems work. So I think the kind of research that Mark Williams is doing will be very, very helpful for us here in the United States as well as in places like Tibet.